What's going on, everyone? Exciting news. We have a new beta for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. One UI 8.5 beta number 2 has come out, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's new for the foldables. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. That's right, Samsung pushed out beta number 2 for One UI 8.5 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. We just had the previous beta 1 on March 12th, came out on March 26th. I'm actually filming this on the 3rd of April, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out. So for those of you that aren't aware of the beta program, I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how to join the beta if you have a Galaxy Z Fold 7. So all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your Samsung Members application. Once you get into the Samsung Members app, you're going to see this beta banner here. So you'll see this screen. You'll have a beta banner. You go ahead and click on that, and if you are eligible for the beta, you can go ahead and join the One UI 8.5 Z Fold 7 beta, which I've already done. You can check out the video up here if you missed that, so you can go ahead and see what beta 1 brought. Once you get into here, you're going to go ahead and you've got some sections. You've got the beta notices, the check for software updates, beta feedback, and beta community. Beta notices is where you are going to get your notification about the new betas, and if we go ahead and click on this, like I said, the second beta came out on March 26th. If you click on this, it's going to actually give you a list of everything that comes with that beta. It generally gives you the version number and I believe the size of the download. So beta number 2, it says that we are getting version ZZCD, and it says bugs that have been fixed as improved readability issue on the now brief for the cover screen. To fix the issue where concert hall mode and sound assistant feature is not applied when using Buds 3 Pro. If you're not familiar with sound assistant, that is baked into the GoodLock application, and we can go ahead and go over that. Let's see, we fixed the issue where the bottom part of the style is cut off when selecting after enlarging the clock in the lock screen background editor. So we probably have an update for the lock screen. We'll take a look at that. We've got to improve the issue where specific folders cannot be copied when connecting storage sharing between a Galaxy Book 4 and device. I don't have a Galaxy Book 4, so I'm not going to be able to show you that, but there's most likely an update to the file manager, the My Files, so we'll take a look at that as well. It says it fixed an issue where concert hall mode and sound assistant feature is not applied when using the Buds 3 Pro. So we've got 2 different bug fixes for the Buds 3 Pro, and it fixed the issue where shooting time is not displayed during selfie video show palm operation. So let's go ahead and see what we have. I have not restarted, or I'm sorry, I did restart the device. So let's go ahead and see what size this is, because it did not tell us. I thought it was going to tell us in here, but it didn't say. So we'll wait for this screen to load real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Has last update here. So this is One UI version 8.5. It is Android version 16. Once again, it does end in version CCCD. It is about 900 megabytes for the download, and it has a security patch level for March 5th, 2026. So I've gone ahead and installed this. Took a little while to install, so let's go ahead and take a look at what is new. So it mentioned something about the lock screen. Let's go ahead and jump into that first. I like looking at the lock screen. So we'll go ahead and we'll swipe down. We're going to go into our settings. We're going to scroll down until we get to lock screen and AOD, and this is where we have our version. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the lock screen version. So it says version is 8.9.35.35. So let's go ahead and lock the device here, and we've got the device locked. We're going to go ahead and press and hold down on the lock screen, and let me go ahead and just open that up. And so here's our lock screen. It said there was something with the clock where it was getting cut off, and so I don't see anything happening here. Everything looks to be fine. Let's just go ahead and click on here. Let's see if there's, maybe that's what they're talking about, where it's getting cut off, where it was getting cut off here. You can see the notification is a little bit off. But yeah, that is all I'm seeing. I'm not seeing a whole lot going on here. Let me go ahead and change the wallpaper here and see if maybe, because I'm using a video wallpaper, if that's the case. So let me go ahead and just use a regular wallpaper. Let's move this over here. Go ahead and just adjust this a little bit here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything happening here on the lock screen, so it's a little strange that they said there was an issue with that. But nevertheless, if you were having that problem from beta 1, then that has been fixed. Okay, so they talk about improved readability issue of Now Brief on the cover screen. So let's just go ahead and open up the cover screen here. And let's go ahead and open up the Now Brief, which I have over here. And they're saying that it improved readability. So maybe there was an issue with the readability. I'm not really seeing any issues with readability. I haven't experienced that. I don't use Now Brief on a regular basis, but it does look like maybe there was something fixed. All right, so we have the issue with the concert hall mode and sound assistant feature is not applied when using Buds 3 Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Buds 3 Pro. We'll connect them to the device and then we'll go into the sound assistant and take a look. All right, so I've got the Buds 3 Pro here in this little gaming case. Let me go ahead and just pop these out and let's go ahead and connect it to the phone, which we should see, they should be connected. And we can see the Buds 3 Pro and it says we're connected to Buds 3 Pro. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and press and hold down. There we go. Let's go ahead and done here. Let's go into the Buds 3 Pro and let's take a look at Sound Assistant. Okay, and for those of you that are not familiar with Sound Assistant, like I said, it is a GoodLock application. So we're gonna go ahead and go into GoodLock and then we should see the Sound Assistant and we'll take a look here. So let's go to our Sound Assistant right here. And so in here, there is a setting where you can set concert hall. So let's go ahead and check that out. So here we have concert hall. Can't turn on concert hall while using Dolby Atmos. So let me go ahead and turn off the Dolby Atmos. And so we should be able to, let me go ahead and go out and go back in. And then we should have that concert hall. Can't turn on concert hall while using loudness normalization. So it looks like you can't use concert hall when you have a lot of these things on. So let's go ahead and turn off the loudness as soon as I find where that setting is. Okay, so the loudness normalization is under the Buds 3 Pro menu. So we're gonna go ahead and go in here. We're gonna turn this off and then we should be able to go back into our Sound Assistant and turn that concert hall feature on, which is here. This says it will simulate the reverb of a concert hall. So now we've got that turned on. And it looks like that was an issue on beta 1. Beta 2 has fixed that, so I'll test that out and let you know how that works. All right, so now that we've gone ahead and looked at some of the bug fixes, let's go ahead and jump into the Galaxy Store and check and see if we have any app updates. And looks like Galaxy Store has an update, so we'll go ahead and update that. So anytime that you join a beta, you do any software updates, as I say in all of my videos, make sure after that you update your Galaxy applications because they need to be optimized to work with the latest software. And we'll go ahead and go to menu, and it does look like we've got a slew of updates here. So we've got multi-control, looks like we have some language packs in here. We've got, that looks like those are the Samsung ones that are in there, and then we've got some other applications. So let's go ahead and just update all. Go ahead and let those update. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Always consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell so you get notified when new videos get uploaded. And we'll go ahead and see if there's anything else, but I think that's gonna be it for the video. Probably one of my shorter videos just because there isn't a whole lot, but we do have the One UI 8.5 beta for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let me know in the comments below if you downloaded the beta, and if so, what do you think so far? And if you found anything that hasn't been covered specific to the foldables.